model, 2014 Citroën Berlingo Partner L1 Diesel 1.6 HDi 625Kg Enterprise 75 PS. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 129,156. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 ETE-DC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Turbo has play in it, will need repairing or replacing. Straightforward repair for someone who knows what they're doing. Clutch needs replacing. Worth putting the time into this. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,125. Click the link in